La 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 la, walking with no purpose. Oh my gosh, a poster! What does it say? This is your flag. It stands for liberty. Fight for it. Join the overseas battalion today. I should join! Ma'am, how do I join?
Oh, hi there. All you have to do is sign one of these attestation papers. So you have to put your name, where you live, when you were born, and we'll see if you're fit to make it into our army.
Oh, I would love to join. Let me take this pencil all backwards and write. Whoa! I joined! That is how you join the Canadian Army today! Thank you so much for letting me join the Army. Now that I'm part of the Canadian Army, I'm gonna go get my uniform on. Ma'am, where do I go to get my uniform?
That way.
Thank you, and that is how you join the Canadian Army. Hello, it's me again. I look great, don't I?
Yes, you do, sir. Can you please sign here, sir, that you have received your uniform and everything you need to go and fight?
Why, thank you. Cap, yes. Dress, sir, yes. Uniform pants, yes. Oh my gosh, everything is here. Thank you so much, ma'am. Here, goodbye.
Oh, I didn't see you there. So, yeah, those people are crazy. So, if you'd like to see more videos, click here. And if you'd like to see other stuff, click here. And please, smash, destroy that subscribe button right there. Bye!